with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a pink monochromatic look. So this is the look I came up with, and if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Before that, if you're someone new to my channel and looking at this face for the first time, then please hit that red subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Since this is quarantine time, I'm uploading 2 videos per week. Don't miss out on that. So if you're interested, you can follow me on my social media pages as well. The links will be down below in the description box.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on.
Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sunny going down, my intentions are mild. You know it, babe, I'm a dangerous woman, but I just wanna make you feel like a real man. You know it, babe, sometimes I'm scared of you.
and let me know how you like this look. And also if you have any video requests, let me know by commenting down below in the comment section, and also share this video with your friends and family. So see you on my next video guys. Until then, take care, stay warm, bye.